Okay, second main question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So by applying quadratic formula. So quadratic formula which I have already given that. Okay, here I mentioned the quadratic formula also. You can see that is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2m. That is a quadratic formula. Here it is the question. Question is 2x square 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0, and thus is in the form of quadratic equation. So you know the general formula for quadratic equations, so that is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so here you can observe that so coefficient of x square it is nothing but a, coefficient of x it is b, and the constant one is c. Okay, so then what is the value of a equals to 2. Okay, a equals to 2, b equals to minus 7, don't forget the sign. Okay, and c equals to 3. Okay, plus 3. Okay, we got the value of a, b and c. Let us see the quadratic formula. So here it is, x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here the square root of minus square root of b square minus 4ac, even though I can call it as by another name, that is called as a discriminant, and it is indicated by the capital letter D. Okay, so then what is the use of using this discriminant instead of using a b square minus 4ac directly? There is a reason. I'll tell you that first. Okay, if the value of discriminant, if I get greater than 0, so what type of a values I am going to get means we are going to get two distinct real roots. Distinct means a different real roots we are going to get. If the value of d equals to 0, so then I will get two equal roots, means same roots we are going to get, same values we are going to get. If the discriminant is less than 0, means it is nothing but negative, then there is no real roots. I'm not going to get any real roots, we are not going to get any real roots. So then you don't need to find the solutions. Once if you get the value of discriminant, means the value of b square minus 4ac is negative, means okay, so you don't need to find the solutions, you can directly write so the roots of does not exist. This is the reason why we are using the discriminant. Clear? Yeah, okay. Let us come back to the problems now. Now let us find out the b square minus 4ac, how much value we are going to get. Here it is b square minus 4ac. So b means it is nothing but a minus 7 whole square, and 4ac 4 as it is, and a value of a is 2, and value of c is of 3 4 ac. Okay, so here it is 7 whole square. 7 whole square means 7 sevens are 49, that is minus 7 into minus 7, so minus into minus it is plus 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Next 49 minus 24, it is 25. So then the discriminant value I got 25. It is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means I'm going to get two distinct real roots. Okay, so let us see that. So the formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a. So I have written directly as a d, don't get confused. Okay, so minus, first you write, so value of b it is minus 7, then minus of minus 7 plus or minus square root of d value is 25. Okay, so divided by 2a, so 2 into a value is 2, so that is 2 into a. Okay, so now here it is minus into minus, it is plus 7 plus or minus, so square root of 25, square root of 25, square root of 25, it is nothing but, so that is 5, you know that. So 5 divided by 2 2s are, so that is 4. Okay, so till here. Okay, so then separate now. So we have plus or minus, so plus or minus is there, separate the plus and minus. Okay, so here it is 7 plus 5 and 7 minus 5. 7 plus 5 divided by 4, so 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4, so 4 ones are 4 3s are. Okay, so x equals to 3, and here 7 minus 5 divided by 4. Okay, so that is 7 minus 5 is 2, so divided by 4, so 2 ones are 2, 2s are, that is x equals to 1 by 2. Here we got the solutions or roots as x equals to 3 and x equals to 1 by 2. As we already know that we must get two different roots, means a distinct root. So now we got two distinct roots, different roots. So this is how we are going to solve the problems by using the quadratic formula. Thank you.